Today we will be making this pattern for our design. Go to the ellipse tool, and make a circle of 1.3 by 1.3 inches. Go to Edit, and click Copy, then click Paste in front. Now drag it inwards to reduce its size. Select all, and go to Pathfinder. Click -front, to get this shape. Now make a square of 1.7 by 1.7 inches. Select the square, and holding the Shift key, rotate it to 45 degrees. Now horizontal align the square to the artboard. Then drag it inside of the circle, so that it coincides with the center of the circle. Select all, and go to Pathfinder. Click -front, to get this shape. Make a copy of this shape, by going to Edit. Then right-click, and click Reflect. Now drag the upper part downward, to get the required design. Drag the shape downwards, by holding the Alt key, and fix the edges to get the required design. Now give color to each part of the shape. Make a circle. Then make a copy of it. And drag it inwards to reduce its size, and give it a color. Repeat it again, to get the 3 copies of the circle. Now select all the circles. Resize them if you want, then align them vertically and horizontally to the main circle. Now hold Alt, and drag it according to the design. Change the color accordingly. Make or drag a small circle between the pattern. Select all and group. The pattern is ready. Go to Object. Click Pattern and Make. Click OK. Now select the format of your choice. For my design I selected brick by column. Now pull the pattern upward, so that the ends coincide together. Click Done. Your pattern is ready to be used in any shape. You can scale up or down the pattern in your shape. Thank you for watching. For more fast and easy tutorials, don't forget to subscribe the channel. If you have any questions regarding my tutorial, please ask in the comment section.